Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're at NAMM Show 2018, currently on the Korg booth with Nick. Nick's going to show us through possibly one of the most popular products at the show, if you're a Volca user, of course, because they have just launched the Volca Mix. Nick, talk us through the Volca Mix. We obviously know why you made it. It's just the most ideal partner to a setup of, existing Volcas.
It really is. It's designed to be the hub of your Volca setup. Right now I have a Volca sample, a Volca keys, and a Volca bass coming right in. The sample's in stereo. Channels 1 and 2 are mono, channel 3 is stereo. You have a fade or mute button, send knob per channel, as well as an analog tone stack for low-high cut, reminiscent of the analog filter on the Volca sample. You have an aux send and an aux in, so you can send a mono signal out, get a return signal in stereo, so you can go to an effects unit or a chaos pad or a guitar pedal. You have an internal clock and a play pause button, so this will stop or start the clock. And I have the Volca sample armed to play as soon as I hit this play button, and I'll give you a demo in a moment. You can control the tempo via this detented knob right here in a 3-digit 7-segment display. There's onboard speakers, and of course, power for up to 3 Volcas with included power cords. So this thing is really going to tie together any Volca-based setup, and not just Volcas, it's got the kind of audio inputs for really anything.
Cool. Well, let's have a listen. You've got to see some onboard EQing as well, so yeah, show us what you got. Sweet, thank you very much for that. So hopefully that's Volca Mix in a nutshell. Do check out musicradar.com for all the latest news, reviews and tutorials and stuff like that. So yeah, and like, subscribe, comment, share, wherever you're seeing this video right now. We'll see you soon, cheers.